Party people! Hello! It is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant, and I am excited. This is the planning video for the Peace and Love from design kit from Softflex. So I've just finished the unboxing. We're going to get down to the mat. We're going to make some plans, and then you're going to start to see those plans come out over the next couple of weeks or whenever I get them done. And I think it's going to be fun because if you guys have seen this Peace and Love kit, it's great. I'm still on trend with all of my pink. I'm just doing it up. So I am super excited. I kind of, after we did the unboxing just a few minutes ago, I have like, I'm like, okay, this is great. All right. So let's get down to the mat and get this planning party started. All right, guys. So here we are on the mat. We still have everything just down here the way that it was. We're going to do a plan for me, and that's the kind of thing I like. So if you don't know what an Old Faithful clasp is, that's just a ball and socket clasp that I love. So there's that. Let's see. Do we have a little bag for this? This is project number 1. Are going to do we want to do knotting or crochet? I'm gonna say probably Jake's groaning. I'm gonna say knotting. So this will be a knotted project that we will make. We'll make the pendant and the knotted. And then these earrings, I'm going to put them in here, but I don't know if that's how we're going to go with that. It's debatable. So we'll do knotting on this. We're going to be using this as, do we do this a front toggle so that it hangs down? No. This is going to have to be back. I don't know that we would actually need anything for this, but we might need this. No, I'm going to use it on the next project. So this is going to be project 2. First way, so I know I just showed these on the mat, but they look fun on. So like this is just a pull over your head. Don't mind all this. This is just a pull over your head situation, which you could use for layering, which would be super cute. Since I have it on like this, I'll show you the one way. Let me move this down. Okay, so since I have it on like this, I'm just going to connect on here, connect on here. Okay, and now we have like a long piece, which I don't, there we go. So like if you had like a long black dress or you're going to wear like a costume or something, this could be super fun. And then I love when my jewelry has like different options because you know this girl's always changing her mind. So now you take like this, you go around your neck. Okay, so you just doubled it. Make sure you got the front facing the front, and you clip one to one side and one to the other. Now this is by far my favorite style to wear, and I actually have a lot of necklaces I'm sure you guys have seen over time that I like to wear like this. Is that not the cutest when it's like short? But if you don't like short, and it's not too short, so that depends on how much you're going to add to your necklace. So I actually did add beads to my strand. I had a few extra just random Jesse James beads rolling around, so I use those. Or it could also depend on how, you know, long you make your leathers here. But I think this is super cute, and I'm definitely going to rock it. I'm definitely going to rock it with my Johnny Cash t-shirt. So there's that. And the wire. All right. I see you, Softflex. All right, so we use the metallic wire to create these little guys. Now, I don't know how this is going to go down, but in my head it goes like this. We do, of course, have lots of more wire. It goes like this. And then we move on to the next one. I wonder if those are going to touch. Maybe I got to have a spacer bead. No, I don't think so. I think they're going to be fine. And then we go like this. Not with this wire, but, you know, on the cording. And we create this little design. See, my worry here is that this one and this one are going to touch, but I don't think they're going to. Hey! All right. This to me is a bracelet. It's just a cute little bracelet, just like that. I don't know how much wire it's going to take or how many beads we're going to need, but I know how many we're going to use, and that's important. So I'm just going to keep these on here so I can remember what all I'm supposed to be doing. And that's going to be that guy. There we go. That's better. I'm going to go like that, and then we're going to add a little chain on the top. We have 2 extra earring wires left over, and we might use those. I'm going to stick them. I'm just going to randomly put them in this bag because we might have extra stuff from this knotted necklace. So I'm going to put them in there if we come across some earring situation. But this is going to be project number 4. Number 1, the super bright pink bracelet that I love so much. Project number 2, a little bit crazy with the memory wire. Project number 3, the little flower bracelet with the fire polish. And project 4, this little necklace guy. We still have crumb beads left over. Well, we're gonna use a couple of those. But anyway, so this is going to be the plan video for Soft Flex Peace and Love. Yeah. Peace and Love. I'm going to put this there so you can see. For the Soft Flex Peace and Love. So if you guys want to get in on this, these videos are going to be coming out over the next couple of weeks. Or, I'm sorry, the next couple of days over the next week or so. And if you want to get involved and make some of these projects, you can visit softflexcompany.com. Get yourself the little kits, $33.95.